Central African Republic. Location: the Central African Republic, CAR, is a landlocked country located in Central Africa. It is bordered by Chad to the north, Sudan to the northeast, South Sudan to the east, the Democratic Republic of the Congo to the south, the Republic of the Congo to the southwest, and Cameroon to the west. Capital: the capital city of the Central African Republic is Bangui, situated on the banks of the Ubangi River in the southwestern part of the country. Bangui serves as the political, economic, and cultural center of the CAR. Population: as of 2022, the Central African Republic has an estimated population of over 5 million people. Despite its vast land area, the country has one of the lowest population densities in Africa. Official language: the official language of the Central African Republic is French, reflecting the country's colonial history. French is used in government, administration, and education, although there are many indigenous languages spoken by different ethnic groups. Government: the Central African Republic is a semi-presidential republic with a multi-party system. The President of the Central African Republic serves as the head of state and government, while the Prime Minister is appointed as the head of government. The country has a unicameral legislature known as the National Assembly. Independence: the Central African Republic gained independence from France on August 13, 1960. The day is celebrated annually as Independence Day. Geography: the Central African Republic is characterized by a mix of savannas, forests, and plateaus. The country's terrain is relatively flat, with the exception of the northern regions, which are part of the Chad Basin. The Ubangi and Sangha rivers are major waterways in the country. Economy: the Central African Republic is one of the poorest countries in the world, with a predominantly agrarian economy. Subsistence agriculture is the mainstay of the economy, with crops such as cassava, millet, and maize being grown for local consumption. The country also has mineral resources, including diamonds and gold, but these sectors are underdeveloped. Currency: the official currency of the Central African Republic is the Central African CFA franc, XAF, which is pegged to the euro. The currency is issued by the Central Bank of Central African States, BEAC. Culture: the Central African Republic is home to a rich and diverse cultural heritage, with over 80 ethnic groups speaking various languages and practicing traditional customs. Music and dance play an important role in Central African culture, with traditional instruments such as drums, balafons, and harps being widely used. Religion: Christianity and Islam are the two main religions in the Central African Republic, with Christianity being the dominant faith. Indigenous beliefs and practices also persist, particularly in rural areas, where traditional animist religions are practiced. Languages: French is the official language of the Central African Republic and is used in government and education. However, there are over 70 indigenous languages spoken throughout the country, including Sango, the lingua franca spoken by the majority of the population. Tourism: despite its natural beauty and cultural heritage, tourism in the Central African Republic is limited due to political instability and security concerns. However, the country offers opportunities for ecotourism, with attractions such as national parks, wildlife reserves, and cultural festivals. Environmental conservation: the Central African Republic is known for its rich biodiversity and extensive wilderness areas. Efforts are underway to protect the country's natural resources, including national parks and conservation initiatives aimed at preserving wildlife habitats and combating poaching and deforestation. International relations: the Central African Republic is a member of various international organizations, including the United Nations, the African Union, and the Economic Community of Central African States, ECCAS. The country has faced challenges related to political instability, conflict, and humanitarian crises, leading to international peacekeeping and humanitarian efforts. Overall, the Central African Republic is a country with diverse cultures, natural beauty, and significant development challenges. Despite its struggles, the country remains resilient, and efforts are underway to promote stability, development, and environmental conservation.